Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Makai's World and Coast to Cousins Adventures. We're actually here in Charleston, South Carolina, and we got a chance to hang out and go to a trampoline park. Right? Mm-hmm. It's called, which one is this called? This one's called? Summit, right. So Summit Trampoline Park. So parents, take a look at this video, a little review. Before you guys go out there, you get to check it out here first. All right, so give it a look. All right, so what do you guys think? I think it's a pretty cool place. It's brand new. It's here in Charleston, South Carolina, in the West Ashley area, right? It's West Ashley? Yeah, so it's the West Ashley area. I don't know, what do you guys think about it?
I think it's fun. Yeah.
Yeah? What was the funnest part? Most fun part?
Yellow trampolines.
Yeah, the yellow trampolines and the
thing where you jump into the pillow.
Oh, the big thing at the end that we did the flips?
Mm-hmm. And I That wasn't one of my favorites. One of my favorites were the one that you had to like dodge. Like they had to like jump over it.
Yeah. I fell.
And I like got like because I jumped and then I fell on it.
Yeah, that's a
Kind of.
I
was running from it and then I stopped for a second and then it was so close and I was like,
And then
I kept running in circles and then I hit the wall.
the yellow trampolines were really fun because
It would go super high.
yeah, and then you could get onto those walls.
Yeah, there's like a wall and then a platform.
Wait, keep talking. I forgot to brush my hair. Keep on talking.
Get out of the room.
I liked where you jumped and tried to hit the buttons.
Yeah, we had to jump and hit the buttons.
That was really fun.
Yeah.
Excuse me. All right, I'm back. So that is their review of Summit Trampoline Park. So do you guys suggest other people going out to check it out?
Yep.
Yeah. So Summit Trampoline Park, good times. Check all the details in the description. We'll let you know what it's all about, what it was like. And yeah, we'll give you the links to check it out. Anyways, you guys said you wanted to talk about something else.
No thanks.
Oh yeah. Our goal.
If you hit 2,000 likes, we'll make another video like this.
So if we get 2,000 likes on this video, we'll make another trampoline video. Trampoline park video. All right, the kids have goals. So go ahead and mash the like button below because they said if we get 2,000 or 5,000.
No, yeah.
But they said if we get 2,000 likes on this, we'll do another trampoline video. So mash the like, comment, subscribe, and check us out.
More like jump on the like.
Jump on the like. Yeah, because the trampoline park, right? Ha! Bounce on the like, bounce on the like. Anyways, parents, here's the review. Summit Trampoline Park, Charleston, South Carolina. Check it out. Thank you guys again for hanging out at Kai's World and Costa Cousins Adventures. We'll see you next time. Pura vida and peace.